Okay, so we are now on the week 5 of our first quarter. And for this lesson, we have the quadratic inequality. Okay? So, sabi dito, in one variable is an expression which can be expressed in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is greater than 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a must not be equal to 0. Or the same quadratic expression with the inequality symbol such that less than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, or not equal. A solution to a quadratic inequality in x is any set of value of x which the inequality hold. For example is number 1, 3x squared plus 7x plus 2 is greater than 0. Ang gamit niya na symbol ay greater than, no? So, yun yung nasa part ng quadratic inequality. Ang given na formula is ax squared plus bx plus c is greater than 0. And that is for example number 1. How about number 2? X squared minus 16 is less than 6x. No? So, pwede din po yung symbol na less than. Kasi ang topic natin ay quadratic inequality. Number 3, 5r squared plus 2r plus 7 is greater than or equal to 0 daw. Number 4, y squared plus 5y is less than or equal to 15. So, these are the examples of quadratic inequality. No? Kung anong klaseng equation yung pwedeng mabuo dun sa quadratic inequality. Next. So, paano ba natin masasolve kung paano or kung ano ang value ng roots nila or ng solution? Okay? Okay, for example number 1, find the solution set of x squared plus 8x plus 15 is greater than 0. So, hahanapin daw po natin yung solution set nung x squared plus 8x plus 15 is greater than 0. So, una po natin gagawin ay papalitan natin yung symbol na greater than, ito po, yan, yung greater than ng equal sign. Okay? So, para mapalitan natin siya, dito natin yung solution. X squared plus 8x plus 15 is equal to 0. So, ganito po ang magiging itsura niya. Yung greater than kanina ay magiging equal na. Okay? Bakit? Para ma-solve natin kung ano yung magiging solution set niya. So, later on, babalik pa rin naman tayo sa original equation to check if our answer is correct. So, to find the solution set or the roots, we can use the factoring method. So, factor out natin yan. When we factor 15, anong factor ng 15? Nakapag pinag-add ay 8, pag pinag-multiply ay 15, 3 and 5. Okay? So, that would be x plus 3 times the quantity of x plus 5 is equal to 0. So, let's get the value of the 2. So, i-equate natin sila to 0. So, this will be x plus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 5 is equal to 0. Then, simplify natin. Transpose. The 2 given will be negative. Okay? So, the answer or the solution set is x is equal to negative 3 and x is equal to negative 5. So, what will be our next move? Ang next natin na gagawin ay ipa-plot natin siya sa number line. Okay? So, plot number 2. Number 1, get the roots or the solution. First na gagawin, find the roots. Sunod ay ipa-plot natin siya. Pag nagpa-plot po tayo sa number line, titingnan natin yung value na nakuha natin. Ano ba yung value na nakuha natin? Negative 3 and negative 5. Okay, so ito na yung number line natin. So, gagawa ka ng number line, ipa-plot mo yung nakuha mong value. Okay, so nilagay ko dito sa right side is negative 3. Sa left side naman is negative 5. Ito yung sa gitna, negative 4. Okay? So, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. Pababa yung bilang natin. Okay? Pag to the right, pataas yung bilang. Okay? So, this will become negative 2, negative 1, and 0. Okay? Negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, and positive 1. Okay? So, test number 3 natin is to test a number from each interval against the inequality. Ang sabi kasi, itetest natin yung mga number na nasa magkabilang gilid nila. Okay? So, for negative 5, let's try yung mas mababa sa negative 5. For example, ano ba mas mababa sa negative 5? X is less than negative 5. Try natin. How about x is equal to negative 6? Okay? So, babalik tayo dun sa original equation natin na x squared plus 8x plus 15 is greater than 0. So, copy natin yon. X squared plus 8x plus 15 is greater than 0. So, what we are going to do is to test if our answers or the given is correct. Yung x is equal to negative 6. Kung magtutrue siya, ibig sabihin, part siya ng equation or ng solution. Pero kung magfo-false, hindi siya part ng solution. Okay? So, papalitan natin yung x ng mga x ng value ng 6. So, this will become negative 6 squared plus 8 times negative 6 plus 15 is greater than 0. So, kailangan mag-greater than 0 yung sagot natin dito. Pag nangyari yon, magtutrue yung sagot. Okay, so negative 6 squared is 36 minus 8 times 6, negative 6 is 48 plus 15 is greater than 0. So, 36 minus 48 plus 15 is 3. Okay? So, 3 is greater than 0. Therefore, is 3 greater than 0? Yes. Therefore, the answer is true. Or, okay, again. So, naging true yung sagot natin. Okay? So, 3 is greater than 0. Therefore, true yung sagot. Ibig sabihin, yung x is equal to negative 6 ay part ng solution. Ibig sabihin, yung answer na negative 6 ay pwedeng maging sagot dito. Okay? Dito sa nakuha natin. Next, mag-test pa tayo. Test natin yung nasa gitna naman. Okay? Test natin yung nasa gitna. X is x is less than negative 5 Another na iti-test natin is yung nasa gitna, which is yung negative 4. So, let's say that x is equal to negative 4. By the way, negative 4 is what? Less than negative 3, but it is more than negative 5 or greater than negative 5. So, let's test. What if the value of x is negative 4? So, gayahin ulit natin yon. Substitute lang ha. Negative 4 squared plus 8 times negative 4 plus 15 is greater than 0. Okay? So, 4 squared is 16 minus 8 times 4 is 32 plus 15 is greater than 0. So, 16 minus 32 plus 15 is negative 1. Ayan. So, is negative 1 greater than 0? Mas mataas daw po ba yung negative 1 sa 0? Siyempre, hindi. Therefore, the answer is false. Kapag nag-false po, ibig sabihin, hindi po kasali or part ng solution yung negative 4. Okay? So, yung negative 6 kanina, nag-test tayo doon and naging true. Ibig sabihin, part ng solution to. Okay? Yung negative 4 is hindi. Okay? How about yung mas mataas pa sa negative 3? So, let's try. Let's test. Wait lang, adjust natin. If x is equal to 0. Okay, mas mataas po sa greater than negative 3. Greater than negative 3, pwedeng 0. Okay? Bakit 0? Basta kapag kapag nasa baba siya, halimbawa na negative number, tapos more than or greater than, test nyo na agad sa 0 para mas madali kayo mag-solve. Okay? So, 0 squared plus 8 times 0 plus 15 is greater than 0. So, 0 na to, plus 0 again, plus 15 is greater than 0. So, 15 is greater than 0. Is 15 greater than 0? Yes. True yun. Okay, mas mataas ang 15 kaysa sa 0. Therefore, yung mga part dito ng equation ng number line natin is part din siya ng solution. So, ayan. So, na-test na natin na yung nasa left side ng negative 5 ay true. Sige. Kakapalan natin yan. Okay. Kapalan natin yung mga linya dyan. Ibig sabihin kasi nyan, part siya ng solution. Okay. Pati yung nandito sa right side ng negative 3. Okay. Kasi part siya ng solution. Okay, lahat yan sila. Kahit i-test nyo pa yan. Okay. Bakit butas yung natin dito? Bilog natin dito. It is because hindi siya part ng solution. O, let's try. Let's try kung magiging part ba siya ng solution. How about if x is equal to negative 3. Sige. Yung negative 3 ang gamitin natin. Okay, so ito-test natin yung negative 3. Negative 3 squared plus 8 times negative 3 plus 15 is greater than 0. Okay, so ito-test na natin sila. So, 9 minus 8 times negative 3 is 24 plus 15 is greater than 0. 9 minus 24 is negative 15 plus 15 is 0. So, is 0 equal to 0? No, it is not equal to 0. Therefore, false siya. Okay? So, kapag nag-false, ibig sabihin, hindi siya part ng solution. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, itong nakuha natin na sagot na negative 3 at negative 5 ay hindi part ng solution or ng roots. Now, ano ba yung magiging part ng solution or ng roots natin? That is, yung mga less than negative 5 at more than or greater than negative 3. Okay? So, paano natin isusulat yung solution set niya? Ganito po ang pagsusulat ng solution set. Okay? So, lagay natin solution set. Solution set of the inequality is x such that x is less than negative 5 or x is greater than negative 3. Okay? So, ito po yung magiging final answer natin.